My name's Bobby Arnold, and I'm an installer at the Porch Factory. When I originally started out of high school, I was in the shop, and I was working as a basic helper as a shop guy, and they put you through a lot of training, and they teach you a lot of this stuff. I think what makes my job great, not only the pay, but getting to be around the people that I'm around. You know, we're just like a big family around here. It just makes, it makes coming to work worth coming to work. CareerSource had put me through night school, and it really pays off. Great class to do. When I was in high school, I was a little lost at first about what I was going to do in my future. For the longest time, I planned to go to college, but I didn't know what to go for, and then I was like, I'm going to take that apprenticeship. I'm going to see what they can do for me, and they put me through school, they showed me the ropes, and they're teaching me everything I need to be successful in and out of work.